is Chomp. It's a Web3 app that pays its users free BONK every single day. And today I'll be showing you how to use it. The first thing you need to do is go to apps.chomp.games and then click connect wallet. From here, we're going to use our Phantom wallet, and if you guys don't already have one set up, go ahead to the link in the top right. After we're in, we should be able to answer the daily decks. So we're going to go ahead and click start and begin deck. Now it's going to ask you 4 questions, and depending on how your answers align with everybody else's, that's how much BONK you'll get paid. So after we finished, we're going to go over to the rewards section up here and open our validation rewards. And we just won 3 credits and 4,000 BONK. If we go back to our account, we can see that we have just received the BONK. And guys, that's literally free money. We could really do whatever we want with this. We could convert it back to USDC. We could buy some Solana. It's up to you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you did find this video helpful, then make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and that like button. And I'll be seeing you all in the next one.